In this video, we're going to be sharing our hygiene routine. Laundry.
Shower.
Poo.
Shaving.
Kitchen cleanliness.
And doctor's appointment.
You guys, we got our first sponsorship. Big milestone for Ferris and Lisa. Big thank you to Walex for sponsoring this video. All right, let's get into it.
Stick to the end of this video because we have a giveaway for you guys with Walex. Super pumped about it, and give us that subscribe. Today, we're doing laundry.
One of the biggest questions we get living in the van is, how do you clean your clothes? Well, this is always something that made me kind of nervous just because specifically our van is so small and I was worried about the amount of clothes that we could bring. But honestly, we have about 2 weeks worth of clothes, so then we just go to the laundromat every 2 weeks. So we use these laundry bags from Amazon. We got a pack of 2 for about, I think it was $10, and we just stuff all of our dirty clothes in here and then throw it on the bathroom floor because it can get a little stinky. But like I said, every 2 weeks we give them a wash. So we use these little Fab detergent pods. We bring our own because you can buy them in the laundromat, but it's a lot more expensive, and this is a big cost saver. It costs about $10 for Ferris and I to both wash our clothes, and maybe takes about 2 hours, but sometimes the laundromats have Wi-Fi, they have TVs, so most of the time we just work in there anyways.
Van life offers multiple different ways to clean yourself, and multiple ways to get yourself dirty, and sometimes stay dirty. We know we have one of the top of the line vans that offers a shower inside and a shower outside, but you'd be surprised that we really don't use our shower inside. I think in 6 months we've used our shower maybe 9 times in 6 months on the inside. We tend to use a couple different options like Planet Fitness, public restrooms where they have showers, sometimes truck stops, natural bodies of water, lakes and rivers, the back of the van, and if we're really in a bind, sometimes we gotta resort to using wet wipes. Planet Fitness has been one of the biggest luxuries in our van life, and it's only $20 a month, so it's nice to work out and get a shower. Planet Fitness has a ton of locations and is all across the country, which is really great, but sometimes we wanna get outside of the city a little bit, and there's just not a Planet Fitness to be found. So we gotta resort to other means. One of our goofiest shower experiences was when Lisa and I were in a laundromat and they had a shower in the back and it was on a timer of 5 minutes. It was really cheap, but being us, we tried to get both of our showers in 5 minutes, and we actually made it.
The shower is for 5 minutes, $3 for 5 minutes. Can we get 2 showers in 5 minutes? I can do it in 1 minute. I can do 5 showers in 5 minutes.
I think Lisa might have had a few suds still in her hair. So one of the biggest surprises is that we use the shower in the back of our van a lot more than the one that's inside the van. We use the inside shower as a closet and we throw our clothes in there and all kinds of different things. So it just means that we have to take it out and put it back in. And I know, it sounds crazy because we have this luxury and we should be very, very happy that we're able to take a shower in the van. But like I said, I think we've only used it maybe 9 times in 6 months because we tend to use the outside one, which is super easy and quick, and attends to our laziness a little bit more. Shower time. One of the main reasons why we don't use our indoor shower and outdoor shower as much as we would like is that we tend to use a lot of water when we shower. Even with the Army type of shower, it uses about 1/3 of the tank. We have 21 gallons, which I thought was a lot, but in most cases, we feel better if we just don't use the water because we have other things that we use water for, like dishes, drinking, and such.
For the bathroom situation, we try and use public restrooms as much as possible. We use Planet Fitness, grocery stores, rest stops, and camping spots. But if there are no public bathrooms, we do have our own cassette toilet. But as a couple, there are some things I don't want to smell.
Don't mind me.
Use a Porta-Pack. Much better. In all seriousness, we've been using the Porta-Pack for a while now. We searched and searched for a product to make our van smell nice and clean, but nothing worked like the Porta-Pack. So we're so happy that we're working with the Walex team because we truly believe in this product and it makes the van smell so much better, even after Ferris uses the toilet. There's no better place to tell you about the Porta-Pack than on the toilet. The Porta-Pack is a blue little pouch that you drop into your black tank. It works to control odors and breaks down toilet paper and waste so it's easier to empty your tank. It's super simple and easy to use because everything is contained in this little pouch. Once you drop it in, it dissolves very quickly, unlike harsh powders that you have to scoop up. So before van life, I was a person that shaved in the shower every single day. So when moving into Tina, I was a little nervous. So if I don't get in a shower that day, I do tend to shave in the sink or behind the van.
I, on the other hand, don't shave as much as I should. But when I do, I just plug it in, shave wherever I'm at. Pretty simple.
Ferris and I live in the van full time, which means we do a ton of meal prepping in the van. We use things like chicken and salmon. Our living space in the van is pretty small, so kitchen cleanliness is very important, especially when cooking with meats. We put our phones here, we put our toothbrushes here, so we always try and use an antibacterial spray on the countertops. We also give the floor a good vacuum every 3 to 4 days because food can fall down here and it can get a little stinky. Our trash can is in the middle of the van and it can fill up really quickly. One night with a full trash can can smell out the entire van, so we try and empty it whenever possible. And if we can't find a trash can, then we use the odor absorber. It's a charcoal product with a layer of gel that eliminates odors up to 60 days.
Lisa, I think my tooth is fall.
Oh my gosh.
Dentist and doctor appointments. As you saw earlier, this is something that we just had a run-in with. My temporary crown popped off. I was just kind of wondering what I should do.
That's your tooth?
What do I do with this? Do I keep it in a... I'm gonna have to try to put it back on.
Ew!
We're here at the dentist office that I talked to earlier. They're gonna help me fix my tooth. My crown, my temporary crown that popped out that I need to get fixed when I go back to Michigan. They said they're gonna give me some cement, so we'll see that I can just do it myself. Hey, I'm up for anything. Let's go, let's check it out. They gave me 2 different mixes, so just in case if it pops out later, I'll have an extra one. They were super nice. There's so many great people out there. Super pumped about this. Gonna mix this up, take out my tooth. Hopefully I do it right so that I get this tooth back in there. It has to be dry. Little chemistry set. Got the tooth back in there, it's cemented down. We still have a month to go until we're back in Michigan though, so I'll keep you updated in case it falls out again. Insurance is pretty expensive for the self-employed, but a little bit cheaper when you go to your home state. We try to book all of our appointments when we potentially are going to be home, but sometimes in van life, it just doesn't work out that way.
Finally.
Insurance is one of those things that you don't want to pay for, but you're very happy when you do have it and you need it.
And that's how we stay clean in the van. If you guys like these Walex products, you can find them at your local RV retailer.
And the best part, the giveaway. We're super excited about this. Walex is putting together a care package of a ton of goodies to keep your RV fresh and clean. All you have to do is head over to their Instagram, Walex Adventures. We'll put it right here. And you give them a follow and tag your friends. Tag as many as you want, 1 friend per comment. Pretty simple, super excited. Hopefully it goes to a good person that really needs to stay fresh and clean in their RV, in their van, just like us.
And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and give us that like.
What we do for a thumbnail.
Oh.